Oh, hey guys, what's up? So it's time to learn how to use the division house. This is something that you're going to use a lot in fifth grade. So make sure that you pay close attention to the steps that I'm about to do. And if you don't have a piece of paper and a pencil right now, go get one. Pause the video, go get one right now. Copy down the work that I have so far. This is the division house showing 5,128 divided by 6. Now, the keys to doing this correctly are the same as they were with the last video. You want to try to do it as efficiently as possible. So take away the biggest groups you can, and also be very careful when you're lining up the place values. Don't just write them wherever. Be very careful so that you don't make a subtraction mistake. Okay. So my first step here is I'm going to actually write the groups that I'm taking away on this side. So I'm going to do 6 times something. And I'm going to try to get close to 5,128. So I know that 6 times 9 is 54. That's going to end up with something too big. So I'm going to do 6 times 8, which is 48. So 6 times 800. It's a little messy, but that's okay. 6 times 800 is going to give us 4,800. Remember, lining up these place values carefully so that I can subtract in an algorithm right underneath 4,800. And then I'm going to draw a line underneath and do my subtraction right here. Remember, you should be copying down these steps on a piece of paper while I'm doing it. Please pause the video if you need to catch up, and then just press play again when you're ready for the next step. So now I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 8 I can't do, so I'm going to have to regroup here. So cross that out. This is going to be a 4. And put a 1 for a 10 here. 11 minus 8 is 3. So I have 328 left. Cool. I'm ready for my next step. I'm going to take away another groups, and remember, I'm going to write the groups that I'm taking away on the side over here. So I need 6 times something to get close to 328. Well, let's see here. 6 times 5 is 30. That could work. 6 times 6 is 36. That's going to be too big. So I'm going to go with 6 times, oh, wait, not 5. 6 times 50. Because 6 times 50 is 300. That's going to get us pretty close. We're not going to have very much left here. Remember, you should always be aiming to do these in like 3 or maybe 4 steps maximum. I think we're going to be able to do it in 3 here. I have 2. Now I'm going to do my subtraction. 328 minus 300, that's easy, right? Is 28. And then I think I can finish this in one more step. Remember, I'm writing my groups over here that I'm taking away. So 6 times something to get close to 28. Well, like I did before, 6 times 5 is 30. That's going to be too much. That's too messy. I got to redo that. Can't do 6 times 5, so I'm going to have to go with 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So let me finish writing my groups over here. 6 times 4 is 24. Remember, I'm going to be careful about my place values. Write the 20 in the tens place there, and write the 4 in the ones place, keeping them lined up with all the other work that I've done here. And then I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0, so I have 4 left over. I can't take away any more groups of 6 because I only have 4 left, so that's going to be my remainder. Now, we just have to find our answer. The way that we do that is by adding up all these groups that I took away over here. Oops. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Okay, all these groups that I have over here, I'm going to add them up. 800 plus 50 plus 4, so 854. And in the division house, like this, you write your answer on top. So still being careful with my place value, I'm going to write 800 in the hundreds place, 50 in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place. And then the last thing I need to do is the remainder. Don't forget about that remainder. So I'm going to put an R4. So the answer to this question is 854R4.